Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this MacBook Pro 16-inch clear case. So here's the case. It comes with a top and a bottom. We've got a keyboard cover. We also have a screen protector. So I've got my MacBook Pro. I've got the 2021 model, the 16-inch. So the top part does have a piece of plastic we got to take off. Okay, so I've got the MacBook Pro here. Let's put the bottom cover on first. So there's kind of there's this opening that's going to go towards the back, and then this front's got this little notch. So let's set it on there like this. Everything kind of lines up. Okay, so now the top cover. You'll see there's kind of like some ears on one of these. See, there's ears. You're going to put that on the back side, and it's going to grab, and then kind of snap it down here on the front. Now the bottom case will want to slide off, but there's these two little ears on the back. You've got to get those on. So you may have to kind of take it off again, angle it, get those ears in the little metal right there, and then it will snap on. And now the bottom one is very tight. So as long as you get in that little ledge right there on the bottom, then the bottom one is nice and secure, and the top one is nice and secure. This is a very nice cover. Wow, it looks. That's the clear one, and it looks really nice. Lots of room for the ventilation. We got all the room for the connectors on this side. We got a room to open it here still. We got room for all the connectors right here. You know, on the bottom there is a little bit of ventilation. There's these big rubber pads right here. So the case feels very nice. All right, let's open it up. Let's get the keyboard cover. There's the keyboard cover. Now it does not cover up the fingerprint sensor, but it does fit the keyboard perfect. So there's the keyboard cover. Yeah, and it comes on. It is held on there a little bit. So it does come with a screen protector. I'm not going to put the screen protector on. And it does come with this little bag with these little screen these little, you can put these in the ports. You know, if you want to keep dust out and stuff, these just kind of like cover up the ports. Yeah, they work really nice. The HDMI one. It's actually not a bad idea if you're not using those. It kind of keeps them nice and keeps the dust out of them. There's even one for the MagSafe charging port, and it fits on there very nice, and both USB-C ports. I did not see one for the headphone jack, but... So this is a very nice case. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.